Welcome to this beautiful video. I hope you're going to love it. Stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, thanks for watching. I hope you love this video. And there's one beautiful thing you need to know about this video is having a gray hair, having a silver hair, or having a salt and pepper hair doesn't make you look old, doesn't make you look outdated, it doesn't make you look rough. Gray hair, silver hair, and the salt and pepper hair are beautiful things. They are everything everyone wish to have, and it's also a stage of life which everyone wish to get to. So when you are at that stage, you should be grateful, you should be happy, and you should be bold. Another thing I need to let you all know is that it's not only the matured people that has come of age that only gets this gray hair. A lot of the younger ones, like the 20s, even the teens, they also have this gray hair. That doesn't mean they are of age. No, it's a genetic stuff. Yeah, some people have these genetic stuffs that they have gray hair right from childhood, right from birth. So that's a different ball game entirely. The one I'm talking about is being a matured person, and you have gotten to the age of the gray hair stage. This is just a blessing from God, a blessing from humanity, and a blessing to you. So don't feel shy, don't feel bad, don't feel ugly, don't feel rough. Just stay blessed, stay positive, be happy, do the needful, go out often with beautiful hairstyles. Always visit the salon to get lovely hairstyles done. If you want to go for the low cuts, that is perfect. Whatever hairstyle will make you comfortable, make you look beautiful and easy to maintain, that is what you should go for. You shouldn't go for what people do. Go for what you can do and what you can continue with. So that is what I advise you all to go for. So I want you to keep loving yourself, loving God, having faith, and also to wish you a very, very happy Christmas in this season of Christmas. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and thanks for watching, and thanks for also subscribing.